So I just arrived on the Harborside campus, and they are actually having a chef talkback demo with some of the chefs at their school, so I'm going to go check that out right now. Before I head to the chef Q&A, we were able to pick up some snacks and water. This Q&A was just set up with 5 chefs from the university, and you were able to ask them questions. They were able to talk about their involvement in JWU, what classes they teach that range from baking and pastry to food service management to your classic culinary chefs. A great opportunity to be able to talk to some of these chefs. Awesome, so I just got out of that talk back with the chefs. It was so informative. Awesome to get some perspectives from some chefs here. So now I'm actually gonna go into the Cuisinart Center right here, and I'm gonna go look. They have some displays on hand. Maybe, I think I heard Cooking Asia's here, Peace Love Bread, so let's go see what they have. When I arrived at the CCCE, I actually bumped into a tour that was happening. So some families were going on tours, some families was at that talk back. We also were able to see Cooking Asia. They were having a mystery basket competition, so kind of like the Chopped Food Network TV show. They were given a random basket of mystery ingredients, and they were having an active competition during open house. After that, I headed to the bread lab to go see Peace Love Bread.
To Operation Peace Love Bread. This is the only artisan bread baking club on campus, and it's a good way for students to just practice their baking skills without the stress of grades.
Today we made some scones and some coffee cream, and we also have some people from the Hasbro Children's Hospital, and we're showing them how to make bread.
Yeah, just having a good time.
Things are pretty much winding down. I headed back over to the Culinary Arts Museum to watch Andrew, our admissions counselor, give a little presentation about Johnson & Wales and just giving a little bit more insight to our admissions process here at JWU. And that was the end. We were able to walk around the Culinary Museum if you wanted to, get some last minute information, and then our day was over. So that concludes my day here at Open House. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to Down City and Harborside, got to see all the things. It's definitely a very fun, open concept plan. It's definitely, if you're even kind of interested in Johnson & Wales, I think this is a really good opportunity for you to come meet professors, meet deans. Students, even on a day-to-day basis, don't really get to see those deans, so meeting them as a prospective student is really nice, asking them those questions that you're looking for, getting to talk to chefs. It's just a very good opportunity, and I hope you guys come to the next one. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our JWU Providence YouTube channel, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this little vlog style format of this open house. So yeah, thank you.